Hey, loyal followers. I just woke up. And I'm not gonna show my body because I'm naked. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna get ready because today, since I'm starting to be an official vlogger, we're gonna go shop for vlogging gear. Like, I was watching YouTube videos last night on what I need to buy and what I need to get to be not an official vlogger. I feel like I'm official already kasi diba, na-post ko na yung unang video, first video ng vlog. And ngayon, sasamahan nyo ako mag-shopping and bumili and like pick up stuff for my gear. And also, I think meron akong madami akong gamit dito sa kwarto na I can use too. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm just gonna get ready. Yeah, see you later. Hello there, loyal followers. Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Paolo Pierce. We're in this vlog. You only need your eyes and your ears. Oh, diba? May rhyme. Kailangan ko kasi ng introduction, so wala pa akong maisip. Yun muna yung gagawin ko or sasabihin ko hanggang makaisip ako ng iba. Kasi sabi ng mga little birdies and mga little friends ko na napanood ng first video, kailangan ng intro na catchy. Mga catchy naman kasi magka-rhyme. Makaligo na ako and everything, but what we need is kailangan natin bumili ng vlogging gear. O, diba? Eh kasi official vloggers na tayo, so kailangan natin ng maayos na gear. Mamaya maghanap ako dito sa kwarto. Feeling ko dito sa kwarto maraming gamit na pwede kong gamitin. Pero ako nabili sa Amazon, pick-upin natin yun. Tapos meron akong nabili. Basta mag-shopping tayo ngayon ng pang-vlog. Samahan niyo ako. Alright, bye. See you later.
Few moments later.
Since I'm a little bit crippled, I can't put on my shoes. My sisters are here. They're newly engaged. Yeah. Help me with my shoes, please. Oh my goodness. Cannot believe that I can't wear shoe. Thank you. Thanks for putting on my shoe. I'm like sweating. I didn't even do anything. And carrying the karaoke.
Few moments later.
We got our first package! So we're going to open this and find out what's in here. I can't use... Hold on. Give me a moment. There we go! We have another vlogging instrument, or vlogging gear. It's for the car. So it's going to be higher than my actual car stand. We're going to test it out in a bit. Hello! Look, this is my new car mount. Versus this one. Sorry, there's trash right there. But versus this one, this is really low. This one, you can adjust it so it can be higher, it could be lower, it could be wherever you want. It just moves and then there's a screw behind it. That I can fix, but yeah, pretty much I feel like it's better because now I can adjust and do whatever I want with it. Next up, pharmacy. Malalaman yung lahat na po nagpipick up ako ng gamot at meron akong maintenance. Ang tanda ka na! Just kidding. Para lang to sa health natin. Kailangan natin alagaan ng ating sarili. So, we got our drugs! They are really my drugs. Kasi nga, dami ko ng medication ngayon dahil alam nyo na, we gotta watch our health. We gotta watch our body and everything. When I'm done with all these medications, it's over for all you guys.
Few moments later.
Your followers, dumating na siya. And I got my goods. Wow! It's our very first gimbal stabilizer. Kailangan natin ng official equipment. It's our first, I think it's my first official vlogging equipment. Can't wait to try it!
Few moments later.
Loyal followers! Hi, we're back again! These are all the stuff I got for vlogging. We got a stabilizer para hindi nanginginig yung kamay ko pag nagba-vlogging, di ba? Meron din tayong pang kotse so para mataas na yung view kasi yung unang vlog natin parang ang baba ng view. Kitang-kita yung triple chin. Ano ba yan? Kailangan bawal ang ganon. Tapos skincare para maganda tayo. Actually pang vlog to kasi skincare so... Okay to sa vlog dahil kailangan maganda tayo sa camera. Ito yung mga nakita ko sa kwarto na meron na ako so hindi ko na kailangan bilhin. I have 2 chargers, portable chargers. So, because you know, our battery's gonna die dahil ang dami natin sinasabi kapag nagvo-vlog. Microphone, dahil parang hindi ko naman kailangan ng microphone. Pero yung, alimbawa, may mga bisita tayong mahinahin, or may mga basita tayong napakatahimik, kailangan may microphone sila. And then this lens, luma na to. Matagal na to sa, I think, iPhone 7 ko pa to eh. So, iti-try natin kung maganda. Actually, try natin ngayon. O, di ba niya ako marunong gumamit? Ay, parang hindi na siya effective. What do you think, loyal followers? Parang malabo na. Basta yung pang lens, tsaka yung fan, kasi napakainit sa bahay. Wala ako sa bahay. If you guys can tell, but this is what I got. So overall, today, I think is very, very successful. Meron din tayong in-order na lighting pero hindi dumating. We'll just wait for it and then I'll show you guys. Maybe in the next video, you'll see that the lighting is so much better. Loyal followers, so this one came late, but I still got it. I'm gonna add it to the video while I am actually editing that video right at this moment. So I'm gonna add this to our vlogging gear. Yes! Sabi ko sa inyo eh, ang next vlog next year. No, I'm just kidding. Vlog number 2 na! I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Loyal followers, hi. I just want to say that that outro that you just saw, I did that. I made that. Flex ko lang. Nanggaling ko nang gumawa ng mga ganun. So, i-hire nyo na ako. Kaya, papakita ko ulit pagkatapos itong video na to. Kaya mag-like kayo and share and subscribe. Okay, bye!